And breath work is the key. How many of you have a child that one day came into your classroom, new kid, and the kid's like this? And then our brain goes, oh, he can't focus. She must have what? Yeah, right off the bat, I can just diagnose a child in 3 seconds, ADHD, because they have too much what? Energy. But now if that kid is 15 years young, they're on a sports field, there's 3 different recruiters from 3 colleges trying to give them hundreds of thousands of dollars in scholarships because their brain can process plays, kinesthetic, visual, auditory, all together. Now, does that kid have too much energy, or your kid that's not that kid now has too little energy? Why can't you be like this, right? So just consider, there's different kids and that's it. And understanding how to connect is beautiful. Some of these kids have a lot of energy, they just need to burn it off. But you'd be happy when one of those kids turns into a firefighter and is the only one that runs up 5 flights of stairs to save your life.